Kukhona into enjalo emhlabeni? Umuntu ayomixela i-perfume nje ibe exclusive for yena, and then i-perfume yakhona ifakwa, uthi hhayi, ngithi ngizoke ngibona ukuthi hhayi, athi hhayi khululeka, I will take you there when we have nje the whole time, it's a weekend, we'll just go there because you really need to know what you're looking for, because they've got quite a nice, beautiful range, and once you know what you're looking for, i-perfume yakho-ke, they prepare it. It takes about 7 to 14 working days, depending ukuthi usuke ukhethe ama-smells nama-taste anjani njani, a-odwa kephi kephi, kodwa nje ama-French perfumes, exclusive French perfumes. Uthi hhayi, ngibona ukuthi hhayi kubudebu-ke la kumnandi, and each and every time ngizohlangana nalo muntu, angikhathazeki, sidlula egaraji, agcwalise imoto i-full tank, check-a everything, ungibuza nangesevisi, isevisi yemoto yakho inini, hhayi, ngize ngiqambe namanga ngelinye ilanga ngithi my isevisi yemoto yami is due, lapho isevisi yemoto yami ayikho due, kodwa nje ngoba sekuwukuthi khona umuntu ozokhokha, akubo khona okwenzakalayo. Uthi yeyi, hhayi bo, ngibona ukuthi kubudebu phela la nini nini. Uma ngabe engikhiphile for dinner and whatever, sivele sidlule ulithi nje, angivundulele zonke izinto ezimnandi, uthi lapho ngiyazithandela ukudla-ke. Uthi angivundulele izinto ezimnandi kuyele, ngibuye endlini ngi-right, ngi-happy. Uthi yazi ngi-happy, kodwa manje ayi, ubhontshisi wami phela awuhlaliseki, ngoba yeyi, lo muntu unuka kamnandi, meke wangibamba nje, wangihaga, wangithi, ngivele ngi-melt-e, ngincibilike. Uthi hhayi sihambeke isikhathi, uthi sithe kwesi-4 inyanga belokhu be-date, bephuma beshaya ama-out, beshaya ama-dinner, beshaya ama-lunch meetups and whatever. And lo muntu uzakala ngathi uwumuntu obhizi, ohlezi ebala amabhizinisi nje, ubala ama-business meeting. Uthi kuthe ngenyanga yesi-4 wathi, I think it's time for you to meet my father, because I have been telling my father about you. It seems like he likes you because I've explained to my father ukuthi umuntu onjani, nokuthi uphuma ekhayeni elinjani. Angithi siyaxoxa phela i-background, usuka kephi, kanjani, uyachaza, usisi uyachaza. Uthi lalela-ke mina sasandile ukujola, ngiqala eGoli, vele bengiyi-virgin all along. Ngifike nje ngaqala nje impilo yokujola eGoli ngoba sengiyosebenza, ngibe yi-virgin mina, ngaze ngaphuma e-tertiary ngiyi-virgin, nginganehlulayo. Uthi naloko kwami excited, uthi oh my God, I would have bought expensive flowers, you would have woken up, I would have done some beautiful things. Kuyimi engikubreakile. Kodwa-ke uthi-ke leyo relationship yakhe-ke yalo mfana owambreaka ayizange ilaste, ngoba there is a mentality yabantu abama-virgins. There are certain expectations ukuthi uma ngabe uyi-virgin and uyajola okokuqala for the first time, you expect that person to value you, to honor you, because you've given him your whole you. So uthi the reason-ke ingazange ilaste leyo relationship, uthi nje hhayi umfana, even nangosuke ngavuka ngalo naye, umfana wayengaku-recognize nje ukuthi ngimnikeze something so special. Okay, fine-ke uthi-ke, so nginalo mfana engalala naye nje like once or twice-ke kulowo mjolo wami-ke kade engibreak-e ekubeni i-virginity, angiphindanga ngalala nomunye umuntu wesilisa. Uthi hhayi siqhubeke-ke isikhathi, umfana ungibelesele-ke ukuthi fanele ngiyobona ubaba wakhe, ngize ngibuze ukuthi uhlala kephi. Athi he's got couple of houses, enye unayo indlu, enye iseSandton, unayo enye indlu ise-Auckland Park, kodwa le ubaba wakhe akuyona it's somewhere in the estates, le ngako-Hartbeespoort, Harties, kubizwa kanjalo, Harties, yeah, I think. Uthi hhayi-ke uthi-ke bagcine benza ama-arrangements ukuthi hhayi-ke tell me the weekend you are free, I'm taking you to see my father. Uthi hhayi-ke nami-ke phela ngigqoke ngizicwecwe, ngibe respectable ukuthi ngiyobona ubaba, ngihambe ngiyokwenza ikhanda, ngiyilungise, ngibe muhle, ngisendelwe ngisho u-5,000 ukuthi ngiyothenga into yokugqoka because ngiyobona ubaba on that particular day. Okay, uthi-ke nangempela kwenzeke-ke, afike eflethini lakhe-ke, sezomlanda-ke, athi akashiye imoto yakhe. Uthi ngiyicabange kabili kathathu lento, ukuthi sizohamba ngemoto eyi-1. Ngithi mina okokuqala ngiye endaweni engingayazi, ngiye endlini yalo muntu for the very first time in 4 months, kade ngidate naye, ngidla imali yakhe and everything, and ngiyobona nomuntu engingamazi futhi, and I don't think ngi-comfortable. Uthi kodwa ngingamtsheli futhi ngingamkhombisi ukuthi hhayi, ngingene endlini ngiwumuntu oyoshiya izikhiye zemoto, ngizobuya ngizongena emotweni yakhe, ngibuye mese ngibuya ngithi kuyena, you know what baby, ngicela ukuhamba ngemoto yami ngoba uthi nje ngibeke isizathu esingazwakali ukuthi hhayi, ngicela ukuhamba ngemoto yami kwenzela ukuthi nami ngizoyibona indlela, mzukwane sekufanele ngihambe ngedwa, ngikwazi ukuhamba ngedwa. Uthi nje somehow something nje was like, no man, take your car. Ngithi hhayi, nangempela bangena emotweni-ke, Izimoto ziyalandelana-ke njengenjwayelo, badlule egaraji full tank, bahambe-ke manje bahambe bayalandelana, bahambe bayalandelana, bahambe bayalandelana, baze bayofika-ke la kuyiwa khona. Hhayi-ke uthi uma befika la kuyiwa khona, uthi yeyi uma ngingena endlini uyalazi ihhotela elincane and exclusive, uthi le ndawo iku-estate. You can see ukuthi indawo yabantu aba-expensive la. Mhlampe sadlula ama-gate awu-3, security gate awu-3 before we can actually reach ilokhunjana i-apartment yalo muntu. Kune-main gate ofike ubhaze kuyona, kube nenye i-main gate hatitizayo futhi kuyona, kube nenye i-main gate yokugcina-ke manje la uvulela khona i-security-ke likuvulele-ke sowuphase 2 iy'ndawo la ekulokhunjwa khona otitiza khona uphume uphume. But uthi ngabona ukuthi ngaqaphela ukuthi mawusuphuma engathi it's easier ukuphuma than going out. Uthi for some reasons nje I was just paying a lot of attention because uthi zikhona iy'moto esasiphambana nazo ezaziphuma ngakwelinye igate, and automatically maziphuma le moto ngakwelinye igate, ama-gate akhona ayezivulekela automatically mosowuphuma. Kodwa nje ukungena lokhu i-security yakhona very very tight mawungena. Uthi okay fine-ke, bangene-ke. Uthi uma befika endlini yalo mlisa uthi yo, hayibo, kunezisebenzi lana, kunesisebenzi esisa-security esihlala egeyithini lakhe-ke manje, egeyithini lakhe ngqo. Kunesisebenzi simu-welcome-ayo, welcome madam, and simu-offer-isha i-drink khona la. Uthi ama-couch akukuhle, ama-couch you can see ukuthi ama-import, Italian ntontontoni import. Yonke into ithi leather, kumhlophe kuyanqenqezela, ukuthi ama-chandelier wakhona. Uthi yeyi, hayibo, yayinhle indlu yomuntu wesilisa. Uthi-ke athi-ke welcome baby, angihlalise phansi-ke. Sifike isisebenzi simu-offer-ishe ijusi-ke, simbuze water, juice, whatever, tea, chamomile tea, rooibos tea. Uthi awuyazi emzini abantu aba-expensive ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Uma ubuzwa nje kuthiwa tea, ufanele ukhethe ezinhlobeni zamatiye awu-10 before you can actually be sure ukuthi uyayazi into oyifunayo. Uma uthi water, kufanele makube sure ukuthi ufuna still water, you want sparkling water, you want alkaline water. You must be very clear uqaphele uma uvakasha emzini yabantu aba-expensive because iy'nto zabo zonke zibizwa ngamagama aqondileyo. Uthi ngikuleso simo-ke la, ngiya-offerishwa la ukuthi what do I want to drink, cold drink, fizzy drink, what. Uthi hayi ngigcine ngithi hayi just an orange juice if you have. Uthi hayi size-ke isisebenzi nelokhunjana nojeko ocwebeze okujulukayo, umjuluko wefriji one-orange juice. Athi yes ma'am, freshly squeezed. Yes ma'am, here you go, freshly squeezed orange juice. Hey, hayi ngizoke ngizwe. Uthi hhayi-ke bahlale-ke isikhashanyana. Engqondweni yami ngifuna ukubona ubaba ngoba kuthiwa ngizobona ubaba. And mina emqondweni wami bengingazi ukuthi sizothi masingena nje singene ubaba mhlampe erelaxile, mhlampe e-chilled, ehlele e-lounge, e-chilled or something. Uthi hhayi-ke sihambe-ke isikhathi baloke behleli bayaxoxa. Uthi ngize ngibuze ukuthi kanti uphi ubaba? Uthi I know, you'll see him right now, he's still resting for now. Uthi sihlale mhlampe kuphele about 30 minutes, angi-offerishe iwine, angi-offerishe ama-snacks. Uthi ngivele all of a sudden ngishiwe igazi, yabona nje kube khona igazi, kube khona nje ukuthi ngiyashiyeka somehow, kungazi ukuthi khona into e-offish. Uthi kuthe mhlampe after some time nje sekuyophela mhlampe cishe an hour, athi I think he's ready for you now. It's time for you to go and see him. Athi yena uphi? Athi he is in his bedroom. Athi let's go upstairs. Uthi hhayi-ke qhasha yimi leyo nemicondo ebovu, qhasha. Nginyuka ama-upstairs ngiyobona ubaba, ngize ngizilungise ngimise nakahle isiketi phela, ngiyobona ubaba wasemzini, ngiyobona i-approval enkulu la ukuthi izo-approve ukuthi le mali ngiyiququde kahle ngoba already sengiyiqalile ngo-5 Bhobho noZuka. Uthi hhayi ngihambe qhasha. Uthi afike avule umlisa ekamereni. Uthi avule abese yavala immediately. Yabo umuntu mezovala bese kusala lesi sikhadlanyana esincane emnyango. Uthi ngizama ukulungisa kodwa ngingaboni. Uthi ngixakeke ukuthi hayibo, why avule bese yangivalela futhi mina ngaphandle kanti kuthiwa ngizobona ubaba kanti zikhiphani. Uthi immediately aphinde avule futhi athi no sorry, we was just checking if he's ready for you and then you can come in. Uthi bangene ngaphakathi. Lihle leli bedroom, yonke into yakhona i-white, kuhle nje, line-dim lights ekhanyayo, and i-dim light yakhona ikhanyela phansi. Umbhede wakhona unama-lights kuma-sides. Hawu, ngithi qala, uphi pho ubaba? Umbhede awunamuntu, Ngiyabona ukuthi ikamero lakhona umbhede laphaya kunelokhunjana kune-walking closet. Ngiyabona nje everything else ivalekile. And then ngiyabona ukuthi kune-couch, yabona lama-couch lawa ebayi-one or one seater or two couches. Abantu abayibeka ema-bedroom wabo. Uthi la ngiyabona kune-couch eyi-one seater, but i-empty akunamuntu. Uthi hhayi, wait a moment, he's coming. Uthi, within a blink of an eye, uthi ngayibona, hushu, hushu, hushu. Uthi engakanani uthi akazange noma kwakuyi-anaconda noma kunyona. Uthi kodwa kwakumnyama sisoco, isho ngamagqumuza amehlo angaka. Uthi yeza nyuburu yafika yazigoqa embhedeni yahlala yathula yathi tu. Yangibheka ngqo emehlweni. Uthi here is my father. Uthi ngathi hayibo, ngigilwa yini? Ulokhu ungitshela ukuthi ubabakho, usho inyoka. Ungitshela ukuthi ubabakho, kanti uthi ngaphuma, yeyi, uthi uthi yeyi, for some reasons, uma ngikhuphuka ngiyobona lo baba, ngathatha i-handbag yami ngoba vele ngangiphethe nje lokhu okuncane, yabona lokhu ukuthi twashe ekhwapheni. Uthi ngakhuphuka nako ngoba bekunefoni no-key and everything phakathi, but for some reasons ngakhuphuka nako, ngangakushiya kwisithi la bengihleli khona. Uthi yeyi, into ngaphuma, yabona ispeed engasivusa ngaleya langa, I'm sure ngisho no-Caster Semenya akaze asibaleke kanjeya ispeed esinjeya ku-100 meters in entire life yonke iphelele. Uthi ngaphuma, ngathi ngisathi ngiyaphuma ngahlangana ne-helper phansi downstairs, ngayishayisa ngayigudluza yawa phansi i-helper yabe isakazeka le nama-tray, uthi angazi i-tray yayilethe ini. Uthi ngahlangana negadi le bekade engaphakathi esihlangane nayo, ngahlangana negadi ikhuphuka ngama-step isizongena endlini iphethe angazi ini. Uthi ngayisacaza phansi, uthi igadi yamemeza, sisi, what's wrong, slow down. Uthi hawu, ngasho ngejubane, ngaphuma ngafika ngangena emotweni yami. Uthi yeyi, ama-gate akhona ayesazivuleka nje, uthi nje gqa. Uthi lapho igadi leli lakhe-ke manje libhizi ligijima emva kwemoto and ngispidile ukuyophuma egeyithini lokugcina ngispidile. Uthi yeyi, ngoba angifanga that day kuthiwa ngiyobona ubaba, kanti ngiyoboniswa inkunzi malanga yenyoka ekufanele kuthiwe iyona ekufanele ingi-approve ukuthi kufanele ngibe kwi-relationship naloya muntu. Ngoba angifanga that day, sobe ngiphinde ngife. Usisi uthi nanamhlanje ngiyayisaba imoto enkulu ukuthi ngoba loya mlisa wayehamba nge-BMW emnyama soco, enhle ngqovu ecwebezela, ayishaya ngo-4 pipes. Uthi amagama emoto angiwazi kahle, kodwa nje engaqaphela ukuthi leya moto ilezi zimoto ezinkulu ezi-latest ezishaya ngo-4 pipe. Ethi mayiduma uthi kusukela lapho indoda yemoto enhle angiyibheki ngisho ingidlalisa ngendlela engisaba ngayo. Ngisaba ngisho ukuqoma izinto esengizibone eGoli. Ngiqale nge-virginity yami, umfana nje wavele wathatha i-virginity yami kwakazi ukuthi nje uqhuzuke etsheni kwaphela kanjalo. And then next thing ngihlangana nendoda ezongitshela ngobaba, kanti ingitshela ngengqovu yenyoka. Uthi ngiyabonga mina umjolo. Siqaphele nobhontshisi bethu bangalingwa yimali.